On this episode of Because It's Hard, I'm going to learn how to juggle. Check that out. All right, let's get to it. So, I have a basic idea of how this works. I'd like to say I have pretty good hand-eye coordination. So, I'm going to assume this isn't going to take me too crazy long to learn. Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me later on, but I guess I'll start with just one ball. Okay. Okay, let's try to do it for real. It doesn't feel too bad, to be honest. Before I get too far, the goal for this one is going to be 30 seconds of continuous juggling. So that way I'll have to be able to do it steady enough to consistently do it, get the high consistent. That's when I'll consider it completely learned at 30 seconds. What the heck? Okay, this might be a lot easier than I expected. All right, got my balls. Day 2. Really high.
Crap! Like 26 seconds.
Oh! All right, day 3, feeling pretty good. 30 seconds. Focus.
Ten. 20.
I almost saved it too. What was that?
That was at least 30.
Yes, that had to have been way more than 30.
I think it was like 35.
Woo! Try and juggle some bananas.